I'm going to replace it with a random speaker that I found, or I guess took out of an old TV. So there's this little clip here.
Steps back to the main cave of Helgrind. Along the way, he often lowered Sloane to the floor and left him to explore a chamber or byway that he had not visited before. In them, he discovered many evil instruments, including 4 metal flasks of seether oil, which he promptly destroyed, so that no one else could use the flesh-eating acid to further their malicious plans. Hot sunlight stung Aragon's cheeks when he stumbled out of the network of tunnels. Holding his breath, rising to his feet, he walked over to Sloane and bent toward his ear and said, "Wagner." With a jolt, Sloane woke, scrabbling at the ground with his sinewy hands. The Dathadar Vodar. Continuing in his native tongue, Dathadar said, "I am glad to know you are..."